Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this tutorial video guys, we will create a program that will check the age of the user, of the person, and then our program will determine whether the person is qualified to vote or not using Pascal programming language. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this kind of videos, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. By the way guys, I'm using online gdb.com as my working environment, no? So it supports several language here. Okay, so in this case I'm using Pascal. So here in the Philippines, in some parts of the world, the age, no, that qualifies a person to vote is 18 years old and above. So we have here program vote var age integer, so it's a whole number. Begin, we have here the title qualified to vote in Pascal. Enter age, new line here. If age greater than or equal to 18 at the age of whatever the age you are qualified to vote, if it is true, the condition is true. Else, if it is false, at the age of whatever the age you are not qualified to vote, we close the if-else statement in Pascal. Red line, end of program, which informs the user that the program has been ended. Red line and end. Don't worry guys, because I will put a link in the video description where you can download the complete source code of our program for today or tutorial video. Let us click the play button here to run. Okay, our program is running. So the Pascal, no, free Pascal compiler. This program should run online, no, because we are using online compiler. Qualified to vote in Pascal. Enter age, let's say 12 years old. At the age of 12 years old, you are not qualified to vote. End of program. Let us stop. Let us run again. Let's say that the age is adult, 44. Enter your age, 44 years old. At the age of 44 years old, you are qualified to vote. End of program. Let us stop. Okay, so that's it guys now. So we are able now to finish write a program in Pascal to check if the given age of a person is qualified to vote or not using online gdb.com, our online compiler of several programming language. Thank you so much guys for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this tutorial video. Don't forget to like, share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.